What's going on, y'all? See on the back of this tack truck here, we got a little bit of overspray on the back of the belly. Pretty common view on the job site. Sprayed some paper on here about 5-10 minutes ago. You can already see where it's going to town, melting it all off. You can see it running down. So take a little rag right here, wipe this down. I mean, you can see all this crystallized tack, which is built up. This prime's built up over the course of about half a season so far. We're midway through the year. First time it's been washed. You can see, I mean, just in 5 minutes, we're already having that kind of cleaning come off. Make you look good looking going down the road, keeping everything looking nice, protecting your investment.